Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Identity-Aware Proxy on Google Cloud Console. First, open the Google Cloud Console. In the search bar, type IAP, click on Identity-Aware Proxy, click on Enable API. This may take a few seconds. Click on Go to Identity-Aware Proxy, click on Configure Consent Screen. This will open up a new tab. Here you can choose how to configure your application. For the user type, select Internal if you want to only allow users within your organization. Select External if you want to allow anyone with a Google account. Then hit Create. Now fill out your app information. App name, I will call it My Secure App. User support email, this is for users to contact you if they have questions or issues. Then choose your app logo. Developer contact information, this is for Google to notify you about any changes to your projects. Then hit Save and Continue. Next, add or remove scopes. Scopes express the permissions that you request from users to access their private data from their Google accounts. It's like when you try to authenticate to some application and they ask you to allow the application to access your profile information. Once done, click Save and Continue. Here you can add test users who will be able to access your application during testing. Then click Save and Continue. You're now done with the configuration. Click back to Dashboard. Go to the search bar and type IAP again. Now activate IAP for your app engine. And that's it. Congratulations. Now let's try accessing the app with another Gmail account. Copy the link next to App Engine, then open a new window. It asks for your Gmail account. Type your email, then your password. But I don't have access. That's because I didn't give access to this Gmail account. Now let's go back to the console and see how we can give access. Click on the checkbox next to App Engine. Click on Add Principal, then specify the email address to which you want to give access. Next, assign a role. Go to Role, type IAP in the filter and choose IAP Secured Web App User. Then click Save. Now let's try accessing the application again. And there you go, you have access.